That Pastor Jerry. Pastor Jerry's winning. Pastor. Come on. Baby! Don't spin me! Dead! Baby! Come on. What did hurt your eye? What hurt your eye? Here.
No. No.
No, baby.
It's something like a.
What did you do? Here.
I'm praying up to you. I need
See the fire coming on trip.
As I can't sleep, I need protein. Yes. I need protein. I know what I did. Yes, so how come you want to answer?
Yeah, why do they help you there?
You just your eye. You can trip on the fire. This is only a trip apology. Now you see such a commander now. You were very disappointed the whole time. Linda, let's sit on the carpet. Sit on the carpet. What's your leg? And you sit on the carpet next to the carpet. You sit there, cross your legs, and listen to Pastor Jerry.
No, I'm not control.
Sit! Sit on the seat!
I wonder is control. It's working.
So baby, you sit there, and don't even... You, what's Pastor Jerry here, baby? Michelle?
How are you going?
I'm a dog.
Oh, yeah, no, you.
What's all that? Where's my other hand? We're not going to play in the beach. Let's go. Wow, that's so I'm playing beach. It's mommy. It's mommy. It's for mommy.
Like I'm one of the. turn the two. Yeah, they try, turn the two. But they might not get it. All 4 hours, what will you lose a bit on the 4?
With that 50 grand jackpot for grabs, the competition is fiercer than ever on the floor tonight at 7. And then right after that, hopes and dreams hanging the balance in Anton Deck's limitless win at 8 o'clock. But stay with us for the latest headlines. Your TV News is next.
The kitchen doesn't know what's coming, and that is the scariest part.
You can then find the game, and then you have
New Ferris skips so fast.
I'm not leaving it because I didn't see because only I put it. I'm not able to go with I didn't see your flights. But I don't need a school.
What are you gonna hit?
No, I'm not no fool.
What are you gonna hit?
because I put a camera now.
You thought of it.
Make sure we know who remains in the competition.
I'm
Bye.